is Sarah McLean, and I'm with Project31, and I'm the founder and executive director. So Project31 is a local breast cancer foundation. It was founded from my experience with breast cancer at 26 and 34. And now really our vision is to see families and survivors restored throughout this process by embracing, educating, and empowering them. So as a patient is newly diagnosed, they will speak with their social worker, oncologist, and they will refer them to Project31. Because of HIPAA, I'm unable to directly contact the oncology office, so it's really important for us to collaborate with local communities. Now we have over 10 hospitals throughout the state, from Oklahoma City, of course, Tulsa, Ardmore, Stillwater, and Enid as well. And we have a couple more on the horizon coming up, over 25 hopefully. But basically they will refer them to us. At that point, then the survivor will reach out via email or phone call. And then our nurse navigator, who's on our staff, she will help assess the needs of the patient, where she's at, and what maybe resources she needs to be referred to, and then invite her into our community, whether it's online or in person, and hopefully help her to just get some tools, but also to build some relationships with other women and their families. So thank you for your donation today. It's going to help us to continue to grow. One of our goals in 25 is to partner with 5 new clinics. Like I said, in the state, obviously that takes resources to be able to put a team in place and to be able to get us going and launched. So this money will allow us to hopefully do at least 3 of those. We're looking at OCSRI, which is Oklahoma Cancer Specialist Research Institute. It's a really long name, in Tulsa, and also we're looking at a clinic in McAllister as well. I just want to say thank you. You guys, year after year, have continued just to pour into our organization. You guys are growing, and I feel like because of your heart to be able to give back to others, you're continuing to see growth in your business as well. So I just want to say thank you from our heart to yours, and continue up the good work.